My name is Promit. I am presently working as a research associate at the Center for Sustainable Mobility at TERI, New Delhi. My work involves a lot of quantitative research into identifying clean pathways for transport, as well as interacting with government and private stakeholders to transition the transport sector towards a cleaner future. I completed the MSc Economics course from TERI in 2017, and my learnings from that course have helped me greatly throughout my research career. The course at TERI is very unique. What stood out for me the most was how much it promoted critical thinking. So the assessments are based on a lot writing term papers and presentations as opposed to just written examinations. We also had the opportunity to do a thesis which was completely our own original research in the fourth semester, which helped me develop my own way of thinking a lot. In my professional career, the learnings in TERI have helped me a lot. Essentially, the course at TERI doesn't just give you an education, but also provides you the skills required to be successful at most research jobs. Having worked at corporate research firms as well as non-profit institutions, I have found that TERI graduates tend to grasp concepts much faster and generally progress at their jobs at a much quicker pace than many from other institutions. The other thing about TERI is the course is extremely interdisciplinary. So while you get a good rooting in the basics economic theories, you can also take a wide range of subjects from different research areas such as finance, management, and even and other areas of sustainable development. The class size being small also means the teachers play a very personal role in mentoring you, and they are also extremely motivated to actually divulge practical knowledge to you rather than just theoretical insights. So all these things combined, TERI provides the perfect platform for any young researcher who wants to think and work towards a more sustainable future. And I would recommend any young professional who is interested in research to definitely consider a course in TERI.